All right, everyone, let's go ahead and get started. Got a lot of stuff to get through, not a ton of time to do it in these 50-minute classes, right? So just wanted to give a quick update in terms of, office-y kind of stuff, right? Given an extension for our week 3 homework, since we're still playing a little bit of catch-up, and then our midterm exam has now been decreased to be just chapters 1 through 6. So no longer has chapter 7 as part of it. And there's going to be online proctoring through Connect. Now, there's not going to be somebody who's going to be watching you. It's just going to lock your browser down and make it so that you can't copy and paste. And then it's going to record with the webcam. So it's, it's not going to cost you any money, but I just wanted to give you a heads up about it because it might take a little bit extra time for you to make sure that your computer is acting correctly with Connect, right? Some of you are going to have some issues with this. The best advice I can give you before reaching out to Connect or reaching out to myself is to try a different browser, right? So a lot of you are going to be on Macs and you're going to want to use Safari, but Connect doesn't like Safari. So Connect and really a lot of other stuff is going to work best with Google Chrome. So download and install Google Chrome. It's free. It takes 5 minutes. And sign into your Connect over there. Sign into your Canvas. And then log in to the midterm exam from there. So the midterm exam opens up this weekend. And you have a full week in which to take it. The actual time duration that you're allowed for taking the exam, it's a great question. Let's double check here before I make a mistake and say something that's not right. So there is 2 hours available. 2 hours available for, let's see here, 40 questions. So 2 hours available for 40 questions. Some of them will be mathematical and algorithmic. So there are going to be some calculations. Obviously, what a surprise in business statistics class. There's calculations involved in your midterm. But 40 questions over 2 hours should give you plenty of time to, troubleshoot and do all of your strategic test-taking strategies. Make sure to answer the easiest questions first, leave those complicated ones towards the end, so on and so forth, so that you all do the best you can on this exam. So I'm looking forward to seeing the results and seeing how much we've absorbed of chapters 1 through 6. Questions on our schedule of due assignments the next 2 weeks. The third one that's not here, right, which is still due on its regular time, is going to be our Learn Smarts. So our Learn Smarts, I believe we have, and again, let's double check. I believe we have 2 due Sunday night, like normal. So we're going to have chapter 6 and chapter 7 due on the 12th at midnight. Technically 11:55 p.m. in this course, not 59. So I apologize for any inconsistencies there. Any questions on the schedule of events for the next couple of weeks? All right, just a reminder as well that our final exam will be online as well. So our final exam is going to be online as well. Very similar. It's going to have this free proctoring enabled, so you're going to have your webcam on. It's going to lock your browser down. You'll have 2 hours for 40 questions. So the midterm and the final are exactly the same. It's just different in terms of the chapters they're covering.